What if you could send encrypted messages, trade crypto, and even join a DAO right from inside Twitter or Facebook? That's the promise of Mask Network. It wants to be the bridge that connects the Web2 platforms you use every day to the decentralized world of Web3. But here's the billion-dollar question. Can you really build the next internet on the foundations of the last one? Or is this project one API change away from being completely wiped out? Let's find out. Mask Network, ticker MASK, isn't a new blockchain or a standalone social media app. Think of it as a secret portal. It's a browser extension and now a mobile app called Firefly that layers Web3 functionality on top of the social media giants. Founded in 2017 by serial entrepreneur Suji Yan, the idea is simple but powerful. Meet users where they already are. Instead of forcing you to a new platform, Mask brings encrypted messaging, NFT avatars, and even crypto trading widgets directly into your existing feed. It's built on Ethereum and compatible with other EVM chains, acting as the glue between Web2 and Web3. Now, the decentralized social media space is heating up. You have major players like Farcaster and Lens Protocol, who are building entirely new native Web3 ecosystems from the ground up. As you can see, Mask's daily active users are significantly lower, while Farcaster and Lens are building new cities. Mask is building bridges to the old ones. This gives it a lower barrier to entry. You don't need to leave Twitter, but it also makes it dependent on them. The project has a stated KPI to hit over 500,000 monthly active users by the end of 2025, but the on-chain data shows they have a long way to go. So what about the Mask token itself? There's a fixed supply of 100 million tokens, and they're all in circulation, which means no inflationary pressure. That's the good news. But here's the critical part you need to understand. Right now, the Mask token is purely for governance. It lets you vote in the Mask DAO. It does not generate any cash flow. The analyst's report is clear. There is no fee burning or staking reward mechanism active yet. It's on the roadmap, but it's not live. This means owning Mask today is like having a governance coupon. You're betting that the ecosystem will grow and that these future cash flow mechanisms will eventually be turned on. Until then, you're betting on the come. This brings us to the risks, and they are significant. Mask's entire model relies on its ability to operate on top of platforms like X. Risk number one, the API ban. This is the big one. If X, formerly Twitter, decides to change its API or block Mask Network, the project's main use case is dead in the water overnight. The analyst rates this as a high probability, high impact risk. Risk number two, the regulatory crackdown. Mask offers end-to-end encryption and privacy features. While great for users, this raises red flags for regulators. In May 2025, fears over privacy tech caused a 26% price drop. This is a medium probability, high impact risk. Risk number three, technical lag. Competitors like Lens are moving towards advanced ZK-proof technology. While Mask has a ZK module on its roadmap for 2026, there's a risk it could fall behind technologically while trying to bridge the old and new worlds. So, what's the long-term outlook? The analysts laid out a few key scenarios. The bull case looks like this. Mask's new Firefly app gains massive traction. More importantly, Mask successfully integrates its SDK into a future X-app ecosystem, pushing daily active users into the millions. The DAO finally implements a fee burn mechanism, giving the token real cash flow and driving value. The bear case is straightforward. X pulls the API plug, or regulators in the US or EU crack down on encrypted social media add-ons. The user experience degrades, growth stalls, and the token remains a governance coupon with no economic engine, causing its value to get hammered. So, is Mask a buy? Here's the final verdict from the analysis. Mask Network is a high-risk, high-reward bet on the mass decentralization of social media. Its potential is huge, but the risks are just as massive. The real underlying value only gets unlocked after an economic engine like fee burning or staking is activated. For an investor with a high tolerance for risk, the analyst suggests a small position could be seen as an option on this future. But this is an investment you have to watch closely. Any news about Twitter's API or crypto regulation could change the thesis in an instant. So, what do you think? Is building a bridge to Web 2 a genius move or a fatal flaw? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you got value from this breakdown, do us a favor and hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives. Let us know which altcoin we should analyze next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.